CIET NCERT presents audiobook Maths Mela, textbook of mathematics for grade 4.
Chapter 7 The Cleanest Village. Page number 95. On the right side of the page, you are provided a QR code, scanning which you can reach out to the additional resources to this chapter. My School Trip. Daisy and Love study in grade 4 in Shillong, Meghalaya. The school has circulated the following poster for a field trip. The details of the poster are the school trip December 30th, 2025. Maulinong, Asia's cleanest village. Why Maulinong? Asia's cleanest village, God's own garden, eco-friendly living. The main attractions are Jingmaham Living Root Bridge, Church of the Epiphany, and Maulinong Waterfall. Location: East Khasi Hills, NH 206, 79 kilometers from Shillong. Population: Khasi tribe 77 families, 414 people. Activities: sightseeing, rich culture, nature. Transport: by school bus, departure from school 7 a.m., arrival at school 4 p.m. Register now, Rs 500 per child. Contact Miss Rita. Carry hat, water bottle and lunch. Page number 96. Daisy and Love go shopping. Daisy and Love are very excited about their trip. They join their mother in the weekly shopping as they need to buy things for their trip. The family makes a list of things to buy: fruits and vegetables, field trip items, biscuits, water bottles, and dry fruits. Sapan Dada has a cart for selling vegetables and fruits. The prices of the vegetables and fruits are given here. On this page, you find a picture of Sapan Dada with a cart having vegetables and fruits. Daisy and Love with their mother are standing near the cart. The list of the prices mentioned is: custard apple, cost per kg is Rs 45, beans 95 rupees per kg, radish 23 rupees per kg, onion 32 rupees per kg, potato 37 rupees per kg, yam Rs 45 per kg, sapota 70 rupees per kg, papaya 65 rupees per kg, banana 55 rupees per kg. Sapan Dada asked Daisy and Love to find the cost of different quantities of fruits and vegetables. Help them to complete the task. You may use a number line, play money, or any other method to calculate. Page number 97. On this page, you are provided 6 blank spaces. In the first one, you need to calculate the cost of 2 kg of beans. In the second blank, 1 kg of custard apple and 1 kg of sapota. In the third blank, 1 kg of onion and 1 kg of potato. In the fourth blank, 1 kg of radish and 1 kg of yam. In the fifth one, 2 kg of radish and 2 kg of papaya. In the sixth one, 2 kg of onion and 2 kg of potato. What do you notice about the two costs mentioned in 1 kg of onion and 1 kg of potato and 2 kg of onion and 2 kg of potato? Their mother buys things for 163 rupees. What might she have bought? There is more than one possibility. There is a blank space provided in which you are supposed to write down the vegetables and fruits which will add up to 163 rupees in the cost. Uday Didi runs a store selling rice, atta, dal and spices. Daisy and Love help Uday Didi return the balance to customers while their mother buys the groceries. Uday Didi also asks them some tricky questions. Help them find the missing numbers in each of the following. Use a number line, play money, or any other way to find the balances. There is a picture given on this page in which Daisy and Love help Uday Didi return the balance to the customers. Page number 98. On this page, you are provided with 9 different tables with the values given here. First one is cost 113 rupees, paid 150 rupees and balance 37 rupees. In the next table, the cost is 185 rupees, paid 200 rupees. You need to find out the balance and write down the amount. In the third table, you need to calculate the cost if the amount paid is 200 rupees and the balance is 0. In the fourth table, the cost is 435 rupees, paid is 500 rupees. You need to calculate the balance and write in the blank. In the fifth one, the cost is 149 rupees, paid is 500 rupees. You need to calculate the balance and write down in the blank. In the sixth one, the cost is 46 rupees. You have to fill up the blanks for paid and balance. In seventh table, you need to write down the cost if the amount paid is 200 rupees and balance is 75 rupees. In the eighth one, the cost is 580 rupees. You need to calculate the amount paid and write in the blank if the balance is 120 rupees. And in the last one, we are provided 3 blanks against costs, paid and balance. You need to fill up the 3 blanks. Love and Daisy buy 3 kg bananas to eat on the way with their friends. Which of the following options can they use to buy the bananas? A. There is a 200 rupee note. B. There is a 100 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 50 rupees note and 1 rupee coin. C. There is a 100 rupee note and a 10 rupee note. In D, there are 20 10 rupee notes. In E, there are 3 50 rupee notes and 1 10 rupee note. Note for teachers. Encourage students to share their approaches and discuss them with the grade. Guide them to use flexible approaches to solve above problems. Page number 99. A strange puzzle. 4 naughty kids on a walk come across a fresh orange crop. They ask the farmer the price of one. The farmer says each costs rupees 21. 2 oranges each they buy. The farmer gives them with a sigh. They all reach into their jackets to take out notes from their pockets. Each one pays a different note. Krishna a 50 rupees and Sudama 100 rupees. Mala a 200 rupees and Neela a 500 rupees. What is the balance that they each got? In the picture, a farmer is selling oranges and 4 kids are standing near him. We are also provided 4 blanks on this page for Krishna, Sudama, Mala and Neela. You need to fill up the blanks for each. Krishna, the amount paid and the balance received. For Sudama, the amount paid and the balance received. For Mala, the amount paid and the balance received. For Neela, the amount paid and the balance received. Page number 100. Let us play. Place the numbers 1 to 6 in the blanks in such a way that the sum on each side of the triangle is 9. No numbers should be repeated. Here we are given a picture in which we have 6 circles. 2 of the circles are filled with numbers 5 and 6, and you are also provided with 4 digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. You need to fill up these numbers in the blank circles. Use the same numbers 1 to 6 and make the sum 10 on each side of the triangle. Here we have a triangular shape in which 6 circles are blank. We need to fill up the numbers from 1 to 6 so that the sum of each side is 10. What other sums can you make with these 6 numbers? Can you make 12 on each side? Can you make 13? What strategy did you use to place the numbers? Page number 101. Add up. Daisy and Love leave for the field trip by a bus the next morning. 24 teachers and 438 children are going from their school. 476 children from a neighborhood school along with 28 teachers are also going to the same village. In the picture, we can see 2 buses are with children and teachers. How many teachers are accompanying the children? 24 plus 28. Estimate the number of teachers going. We need to fill up the blank provided. Here in the picture, we are given the representation of 24 plus 28 as 2 tens plus 4 ones and 2 tens and 8 ones, which on adding give us 4 tens plus 12 ones, which is equal to 5 tens plus 2 ones, that is equal to 52, as 10 ones is equal to 110. There are 52 teachers accompanying the children. The addition is explained here as we have tens and ones column. In tens we have 2 and in ones we have 4 for 24 teachers and 2 under tens and 8 under ones for 28 teachers mentioned who are going for the trip. On adding, we find 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. We take 2 and 1 is grouped with tens to make it total 5 tens, and we thus have 52 teachers. Note for teachers. It is not enough to rely on keywords like left, total, more, less for solving word problems. Instead, we suggest that teachers get children to draw pictures for what they understand from the question. Some suggestions for the types of word problems and their pictures are given at the end of the book. Page number 102. How many children are going on the trip? Estimate the number of children going on trip and fill in the blank provided. 438 plus 476. We have a pictorial representation of 438 as with 4 grids of 100, that is 400, and 3 bars of 10 representing 30, and 8 units of ones representing as 8 ones, and 476 is represented as 4 grids of 100 and 7 bars of tens and 6 ones. On adding, we get 8 hundreds plus 10 tens plus 14 ones, which can be represented as 9 hundreds plus 110 plus 4 ones, that is equal to 914. We have, by regrouping, we can write it as under hundreds, tens and ones column as 438, 4 under 100, 3 under tens and 8 under ones. Similarly, 476 can be written as 4 under 100, 7 under tens and 6 under ones. Now on regrouping, we see that 8 plus 6 is 14. We write 4 under ones and 1 we group with tens because 10 ones make 1 10. So we have 3 plus 7 as 10. 10 plus 1 more 10 gives us 11. So 1 we write, and this 110 is taken into 100 because 10 tens make 100. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 gives us 9. We get the total of students as 914. So 914 children are going to Maulinong. Note for teachers: support learners in making the transition from concrete materials to the more abstract algorithm. It will be good for the children to see the connection between the steps given here. Show every time that 10 ones are regrouped to 110, 10 tens are regrouped to 100, 10 hundreds to 1000. Use the word regrouping instead of carrying. Encourage them to check solutions using a number line or skip count as done in the previous grade. Work on operations with 2 digits till children are comfortable with regrouping. Page number 103. Daisy and Love ate one large piece of pusau for 38 rupees. They liked it a lot and bought another small piece for 16 rupees. How much did they spend on pusau? 38 plus 16. Estimate the money they spent and write in the blank provided. Here, 38 plus 16 can be pictorially expressed as 3 tens and 8 ones for 38 and 16 as 110 and 6 ones. On adding, we have to write down in the blank space provided dash tens plus dash ones and show it in the column how you have added by filling up the blank. Write the final answer after regrouping in the boxes above. We also need to write down how much they spent in rupees in the blank provided. Pusau is a traditional Khasi snack from the northeast region of India. It is made from a special variety of red rice grown in the hills and paddy fields of Khasi Hills. The village of Mauranglang is famous for its pusau. Note for teachers. Children can be slowly encouraged to use tokens instead of Dines blocks. Bring to their notice the similarity in steps. Page number 104. Daisy and Love had collected 185 rupees in their piggy bank. Their mother gave them 125 rupees more for the trip. How much money did they take for the trip? Estimate the money they took for the trip and write down in the blank provided. 185 plus 125. The pictorial representation is given here. 185 can be expressed as 100 plus 8 tens plus 5 ones is equal to dash hundreds plus dash tens plus dash ones. That is equal to dash hundreds plus dash tens plus dash ones. And 125 can be written as 100 plus 2 tens plus 5 ones. Daisy and Love took dash rupees for the trip. The calculation can be written in the boxes provided and write the final answer after regrouping in the boxes given. Page number 105. Let us do. There is a picture on this page in which two students are learning to play tabla from their teacher and one girl is singing. Question number 1. In Kalakshitij, a school of performing arts, the following number of students are learning to sing and play the tabla. Estimate and then find the total number of students. Here we are provided with a tabular column which has 4 rows and 4 columns. In the second column we have tabla players, and in the third column we have singers, and in the fourth column we have the total. In the second row we have boys, and in the third row we have girls, and in the fourth row we have total. So, number of boys playing tabla are 78. Number of boys singers are 532. You need to fill up the total number of boys in the total column. Girls playing tabla are 95 and girl singers are 346. You need to write down the total number of girls in the blank provided. In the last row, we need to fill up the total tabla players. There is a blank provided here, and similarly there is a blank provided for total singers. We need to fill up the total singers there. 15 more girls join the music school and they want to learn to play the tabla. How many girls play the tabla now? Question number 2. Add by aligning the numbers in columns in your notebook. A. 32 plus 47. B. 654 plus 95. C. 286 plus 123. D. 476 plus 324. E. 700 plus 289. F. 534 plus 483. Question number 3. Preeti's school has 423 children. Her school has 178 children less than her cousin's school. How many children Study in Preeti's cousin's school. Page number 106. Subtract it. The buses stopped for a snack on the way. 83 children bought pusau. 46 children bought fruit plates. How many more children bought pusau? Estimate the difference. Write the answer in the blank provided. The difference between the children who bought pusau and those who bought fruit plates is 83 minus 46. This can be represented pictorially. Here it is given as 83 as 8 bars of tens and 3 ones. That gives, we have 4 bars crossed out and 3 bars remaining. Similarly, out of 10 ones, 6 are crossed out, 4 remain, and 3 more ones add up to 7 ones. And this can be written as tens and ones column. We have 83 minus 46, which can be written as 13 ones minus 6 gives us 7. Now, there are 7 tens because 1 was regrouped with ones, and we have 7 minus 4 as 3. So, the answer is 37. 3 tens plus 7 ones, that is equal to 37. 37 more children bought pusau than fruit plate. All 438 decide to visit the famous Living Roots Bridge in Maulinong village. First, 215 children go to see the Living Roots Bridge. How many children are waiting to visit the Living Roots Bridge? Estimate the number of children who are waiting. Write down the answer in the blank provided. The number of children who are waiting is equal to 438 minus 215. Pictorially, it is represented here as we have 4 grids of 100 and 3 bars of tens and 8 ones, out of which 2 grids of 100 are crossed out and 1 bar of tens is crossed out. Similarly, 5 ones are crossed out and we have the remaining as 2 hundreds, 2 tens and 5 ones are taken from 4 hundreds, 3 tens and 8 ones. Page number 107. 2 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 3 ones is equal to 223. So, 223 children are waiting. We have 100 tens and ones column. 4 is written under 100. 3 is written under tens and 8 is written under ones. And minus 2 is written under 100 and 1 is written under 10 and 5 is written under ones. So, on subtracting, you get 2 hundreds, 2 tens and 3 ones. Therefore, 223 children are waiting. Love and Daisy brought 310 rupees in all. After spending on food and some gifts, they are left with 179 rupees. How much money had they spent till now? Estimate the answer and write down in the space provided. Rupees spent is equal to 310 minus 179. This has been explained with the help of pictorial representation. We have 3 hundreds and 110. Regroup 110 as 10 ones, which can be expressed as 3 hundreds, and 1 ones 10 times, that is, we have 10 ones because 100 is equal to 10 tens. This again can be written as 2 hundreds plus 10 tens plus 10 ones. So, by taking away 179, we are left with 100, 3 tens and 1 ones. So, under 100, tens and ones column, we have 3 under 100, 1 under 10 and 0 under ones. Similarly, in the next row, we have 1 under 100 and 7 under tens column and 9 under ones. On subtracting, we have 131. That is 100 plus 3 tens plus 1 ones. That is equal to 131. So they have spent 131 rupees. Note for teachers. Learners can use the concrete materials first before doing the algorithm. You should communicate that while computing using an algorithm, we start from the ones place and then move to tens, hundreds and so on. When there are not enough ones to take away, then we need to regroup the 110 to 10 ones. Similarly, when there are not enough tens to take away, we regroup 100 to 10 tens. Page number 108. Let us solve. Ram Chacha got 264 mangoes from his mango tree last year. This year, he got 527 mangoes. How many more mangoes did he get this year? Estimate the answer and write in the blank provided. There is also a blank space given. Use or draw tokens for the given problem if needed. You also need to fill up the blanks which are made under hundreds, tens and ones column to get the final answer. Question number 4. During the festival of dolls, Gombi Habba in Dashera, Ranganna made 639 dolls. He was able to sell 531 dolls. How many dolls are left with him? Number of dolls left is equal to dash. Estimate the answer and write down in the blank provided. There is a blank space provided for the use or draw of tokens for the given problem if needed. You also need to fill up the blanks under tens, hundreds and ones place to calculate the answer. Page number 109. Question number 5. Subtract by aligning the numbers and columns in your notebook. A. 83 minus 29. B. 345 minus 123. C. 763 minus 437. D. 803 minus 350. E. 900 minus 328. Let us solve. Question number 1. These books are in the community library of Vankanda village. Children borrow these books to read during their vacation. We are given here tabular column in which name of the book and pages in the books are mentioned. First one, Swami and Friends. Pages in the book are 179. Panchatantra Tales, Number of pages mentioned are 236. Karadi Tales, pages in the book are 30. Akbar Birbal, pages are 96. Blue Umbrella, pages in the book are 90. Adventures of Filuda, number of pages are 128. Page number 110. A. Rami read Panchtantra tales during the summer vacations. Kesu read Akbar Birbal, Karadi Tales and Blue Umbrella. Who do you think read more? How many more pages? B. Sumi has read 23 pages of Adventures of Filuda. How many more pages are left to complete the book? C. Jaggu decides to read all the books listed here during his vacation. He has finished reading Swami and Friends, Akbar Birbal and 50 pages of Filuda in 4 weeks. How many more pages does he have to read to finish reading all the books? Question number 2. A daily train between Delhi and Aligarh travels a distance of 131 kilometers. Here there is a picture in which a train and the railway track is given. Answer the questions that follow. In the picture provided, there is a train and a railway track. There are 4 stations marked as New Delhi, Ghaziabad Junction, Dadri and Aligarh Junction. People boarded at New Delhi station are 894 and people boarded Ghaziabad Junction are 158 and people alighted are 23. At Dadri station, people boarded are 67 and people alighted are 75. At Aligarh Junction, you need to fill up the people alighted is equal to dash. Page number 111. A. How many passengers are there on the train when it leaves Dadri? Fill in the blank. B. Find the number of people who got off the train at Aligarh. Dash. Fill in the blank. C. Were there more people on the train in New Delhi or in Aligarh? How much more or less? Fill in the dash provided. D. How many people travelled altogether by the train? Fill in the blank provided. Let us solve. A. Hundreds, tens and ones. We have 4 under 100, 5 under tens and 2 under ones, plus 8 under tens and 9 under ones. You need to add and write down the answer in the space provided. B. 100, tens, ones. 6 is under 100, 4 is written under tens and 1 is written under ones. Minus 2 is written under 100, 7 is written under tens and 3 is written under ones. You need to subtract and write down the answer in the space provided. C. Find quick ways of solving. Think about some of the strategies you learnt in grade 3. 326 plus 25 is equal to dash. 675 plus 5 is equal to dash. 410 minus 12 is equal to dash. There is a picture of a boy. He says, I can think about it like this. 410 minus 10 is 400 and 2 less than 400 is 398. We have some more questions provided here. 204 minus 10 is equal to dash. 811 plus 99 is equal to dash. 945 minus 19 is equal to dash. D. Solve by aligning the numbers in columns in your notebook. First, 38 plus 943. Second, 465 plus 305. Third, 435 plus 462. Fourth, 764 minus 657. Fifth, 518 minus 209. Sixth, 879 minus 53. Page number 112. E. Find two numbers such that their sum is 856. Find another two numbers such that their difference is 563. Make your own word problems with these numbers. 856 is equal to dash plus dash. There's a picture of a boy holding the number 856. You're also provided with 3 blank spaces to write down the word problem. Below that, we have a picture of a girl holding number 563. 563 is equal to dash minus dash. You have space provided for writing down the word problem. Number pair hunt. Here is a grid of numbers. There are many number pairs in this grid. A number pair has two numbers which are next to each other, vertically or horizontally. For example, the numbers 111 and 185 are number pairs. 48 and 185 are number pairs in this grid. The grid has 4 by 4 arrangement. The first row has numbers 35, 100, 179, 68. The second row has 111, 185, 143, 54. Third row has 300, 48, 225 and 190. Fourth row has numbers 54, 321, 63 and 167. How many number pairs are there in this grid? Should we check every number pair to find out which is the largest sum or difference? Page number 113. Question number 1. Find the number pair whose sum is the greatest. Blank space is provided for you to write down the answer. Second one. Find the number pair whose sum is the smallest. There's a blank space for the answer. Question number 3. Find the number pair whose difference is the greatest. There's a blank space for the answer to be written. Question number 4. Find the number pair whose difference is the smallest. There's a blank space for the answer to be written. The missing digits. Find the missing digits given here. Make each of the following sums correct. In the first one, we have 4 blocks provided. In the tens place, there's a blank. In ones place, we have number 6. And in the next ones place, there is a blank provided. And under tens place, we have number 1. On adding, we get 5 tens. 5 is written under tens and 0 is written under ones. You need to fill up the spaces in tens and ones place provided. Similarly, in the second sum, we have in the tens place 1 and 2, and both the ones places are blank for you to fill up, and the total should be 38. That is 3 in tens place and 8 in ones place. In the third question, we have hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Under hundreds place we have 3 and tens place is blank. Ones place we have digit 2. And in the second row we have blank space for 100 and there is digit 8 at tens place and 8 at ones place. On adding, we need to get the answer as 890. That is 8 under hundreds place, 9 under tens place and 0 under ones place. In fourth question, we have 7 under tens place and there's a blank for ones place. We need to subtract here and there is a tens place 4 there and blank space is provided for ones. On subtracting, we get number 27. That is 2 under tens place and 7 under ones place. That means you need to fill up blanks at ones place. In the fifth one, we have 6 under tens place and 5 under ones place. There are blank provided under tens and ones place. We have to subtract and get the answer as 25. That is 2 under tens place and 5 under ones place. And in the last problem, we have hundreds, tens and ones place. In hundreds place we have 4 and in tens place we have 7 and there's a blank space provided for ones place. Subtract sign and we have 1 under hundreds place, 4 under tens place and there's a blank space for ones place. On subtracting, we get blank space for hundreds place and 2 under tens place and 7 under ones place. So you need to fill up the blanks provided in the picture here. Page number 114. Let us do. Question number 1. Add. A. 23 plus 489. B. 105 plus 295. C. 630 plus 56. D. 35 plus 99. E. 409 plus 387. F. 67 plus 76. G. 580 plus 207. H. 333 plus 666. I. 826 plus 268. Question number 2. Subtract. A. 300 minus 45. B. 962 minus 268. C. 706 minus 209. D. 842 minus 387. E. 674 minus 76. F. 754 minus 409. G. 403 minus 245. H. 600 minus 384. I. 546 minus 538. Chapter 7 ends here.
Maths Mela. You were just listening to this audiobook. Textbook of Mathematics for Grade 4. Narration Swarnlata Sharma. Sound recordist Virendra Rawat. Production assistant Soumya Malik. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.